When we did, our board of directors sided with him. And so at 30, I was out, and very publicly out.
Noong ginawa namin ang aming lupon ng mga direktor, ay kampi sa kanya, at kaya sa 30, ako ay lumabas, at hayagang lumabas.
What had been the focus of my entire adult life was gone, and it was devastating.
Ang naging focus ng aking buong pang-adultong buhay ay nawala, at ito ay nakakapinsala.
I really didn't know what to do for a few months.
Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ang gagawin sa loob ng ilang buwan.
I felt that I had let the previous generation of entrepreneurs down, that I had dropped the baton as it was being passed to me.
Nadama ko na pinabayaan ko ang nakaraang henerasyon ng mga negosyante na nahulog ko ang baton habang ipinapasa sa akin.
I met with David Packard and Bob Noyce and tried to apologize for screwing up so badly.
Nakipagkita ako kina David Packard at Bob Noyce at sinubukan kong humingi ng paumanhin sa sobrang pagkasira.
I was a very public failure and I even thought about running away from the valley.
Ako ay isang napakalaking pagkabigo sa publiko at naisip ko pang tumakas mula sa lambak.
But something slowly began to dawn on me.
Ngunit may unti-unting bumabagabag sa akin.
I still loved what I did.
Nagustuhan ko pa rin ang ginawa ko.
The turn of events at Apple had not changed that one bit.
Ang pagliko ng mga kaganapan sa Apple ay hindi nagbago kahit kaunti.
I'd been rejected, but I was still in love.
Tinanggihan ako pero nagmahal pa rin ako.